Hey guys, Tim here. Wanted to create a video for you just to show you on CoinExchange.io just a quick withdrawal to a new coin that I purchased, which is XP Experience Points. Now the wallet that you download, it takes about 3.5 days for me to just sync, to sync all the blocks. So if you're ever thinking of getting some of these coins, it takes 3 or 4 days for this thing to sync. Anyways, so let me, I've never actually withdrawn this coin before, so this is going to be a first time. So let's go to withdrawals. Now let's go to balances, and let us go to XP. That's the top one. As you can see, I've got 15,000 coins and the amount of BT, and you go to actions and you say withdraw XP, and let's see, receive just on the other side, just my wallet, just copying my wallet from the my desktop wallet, and the XP withdrawal address. And I think perhaps you can click on this. So you could click on this and it will withdraw the full amount. The withdrawal fee is 1 XP, and my password, come on, where are ya? There we go. Password. Sorry about that, forgot about that. Just the code. There you are. The code is 42127. Password, that's that. And let's say submit withdrawal. See what happens. Oh, withdrawal has successfully been submitted. Please check your email to confirm the withdrawal. I'm not going to pull that up. The cool thing about CoinExchange is every time you log in, you get a notification via email. So like with any other banking app that you have, or banking service that you have, you'll get a notification. So if someone is trying to hack into your account, you get a notification. So I've just got a confirmation. I'm not going to show that to you now. My email client, and you just let me just show you what I don't want to show you my email, but essentially let me just scrub out a couple of things. Essentially, this is what you're getting. Okay, that's what you're getting, right? So you just click that confirmation link. So let me just go and click that. Again, this is unprepared, and as you can see, the withdrawal has been confirmed and should be sent shortly. If I go to my account withdrawals, the site seems to be faster. The balances page is not it's not lagging anymore. So this is pending. So let's see in my wallet. Where's my wallet? Transactions. So I might pause this video and just come back when it's all finished, because I don't know how long this coin is going to take. When I withdrew the XCS coin, it took about, I would say, 12-13 minutes. I think might have been a little bit quicker. So they are busy changing things up on the network. So I don't know. I will come back. It's 11:52 now. I'll come back and I will continue this video when it is in the wallet. Okay, see you in a bit. Hey guys, Tim here again. Just do a continuation of the video started earlier. So this is about, I would say, 15 minutes later. As you can see, the transaction has gone through. That transaction has gone through, and it took about, I would say, 15 minutes or so. As you can see in my wallet, my XP wallet. Let's see if I can show show this. Yeah, in my XP wallet, you can see the 15,000, 14,999. So the whole process from logging in took about, I would say, 17, 18 minutes. Okay, from start to finish with withdrawing that XP coin. So, you know, there's a lot of noise about the CoinExchange.io website, but I've had good success. The buying of the Bitcoin, the sending of the Bitcoin, the processing of the deposit, everything happened immediately. It seems like the site is now, they've changed the servers or something, because the site is loading a lot faster. So I've deposited the Bitcoin, I've exchanged them for the XCS. I can show you the XCS if you guys just hold on for a second. Try and do this as fast as possible. I also purchased a coin, which I do love their wallet. I really love their wallet, and when you have a nice wallet like that, you know that there's a good team behind it. So this is another coin that I bought, and as you can see in my wallet, it was 3189 XSC coin, and as you can see, there it is, 3189, okay, coin, and that came through pretty quickly. So yeah, as you can see, guys, from my perspective, from the little bit that I've used CoinExchange, it's smooth. You get a lot of these. I think it's over 300 coins on there that you can exchange, and that's why I joined it, because I couldn't find these 2 coins in other exchanges, and the other exchanges were shut because of high volumes of traffic coming in. So this is again a video to show you the withdrawal, and if I add more coins, get more coins to this exchange, I'll definitely create more videos for you. So thanks for that. Over and out.